In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to generate a histogram in Excel. To generate the histogram, select the data, then under insert option, you will find recommended charts. Click on the recommended chart and you will see a histogram. Now, if this histogram is not visible here, you can select this particular option, which is statistical. Click on it and select the first option, which is histogram. Once the histogram is generated, you can modify the graph using appropriate action. Suppose if you want to add the axis title, select the chart element and select the primary horizontal and primary vertical axis, and now you can add the title to your axis. And here, let's say it is class interval or the bins. You can further change the options which are used to make this particular histogram. For example, we can change the number of bins which are used here. We can change the width of the bins. We can change the gaps in the bin. To change these options, right click on one of the bars and you will see one option, format data series. Once you click on the format data series, towards the right you will see these particular options. If you want to change the bin width, click on it and now you can specify your custom bin width. For example, here the bin width is 23. So if I want to change it to 15, the Excel will construct the graph accordingly. We can also change the number of bins here. Suppose I want a histogram with 10 number of bins. So type 10 here and hit enter. So the Excel will change accordingly. These square brackets, they are the closed brackets. That means the value is included, corresponding value is included in the bin. The open bracket or the round bracket indicates that the value is not included in the bin. So that is how you construct a simple or generate a simple histogram in Excel.